Hello, my dear friend. Nice to meet you again. This is Ellie from fastened HR for the aluminum gas and fence. So now today we would like to share the fence installation guide with you, and the installation is very convenient. Our material is aluminum alloy, so it is anti-corrosion and it can provide a long-term reliability for your own house. And we have two standard colors. For this one, it is the standard gray and the standard black color. And for this one, it is the fence post. And the specification is 80 by 80 millimeter. And as you can see, our fence post is with the double layer structure to be strong. So for the fence post, there are two installation ways. If there's the concrete and the fence is not so high, we can make the fence post with the branch on the concrete. Yeah, this is the inner sleeve. So when make the installation, we can make the inner sleeve on the concrete. Then we make the screws for these 4 points. Then we put the post into the inner sleeve. Yeah, this is for the fence post on the ground. And if there's the grass, we can make our fence post. Yeah, we can make our fence post embedded in the ground, so it doesn't need a base for it. These two installation ways are supported. Okay, now we can put our panel into the post directly. And this one is the Slat panel design. So we will have the accessory. This is the spacer, and our standard size for the spacer is 25 to 35 millimeter. So we put the spacer into the post. And then we can put another panel into the post. Yeah, you can see the installation is very easy. So for the top panel, we will also make a fixing accessories to fix it. You can see this is the corner fixing accessories on the top panel. So when we put all the panel into the post, then we can put the post cap on it. As for the base, we also have the base cover to hinder the screws. Yeah, then you can see the installation is finished. Also, we can customize the size and the design for your project needs. So if you have any design you want, you can contact us and we will provide a suitable solution for you and to the best price for you. So this is the installation guide for you.